Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Facebook Lite. After that we'll enter to the window of force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone, you can wait a moment, and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.